Hello world. Do you want to be a network engineer? Do you want to become a network engineer that can implement this kind of network topology, such a complex, big one like this? This one is containing about 50 PC, 50 computer, and each and every device on this topology can actually ping themselves. Can you just see? Now let's take for example, I want to make this computer to ping this one. What is the IP address of this particular one? Let me quickly check. So the IP address of this particular one is 192.168.5.17. So I want to come and use this particular one to ping it. So let me check the IP address of it. This one is 192.168.5.11. So I want to use this .11 to ping that one of .17. So let's quickly go. So we are going to the command prompt. So write ping. So ping means you want this computer to communicate with other computer, with any other device on the same topology. So once you have done it in this way, there is a, you write the IP address .168.5 then .17. We want to use this one with .11, that is PC number 11, to communicate with PC number 17. So let's go ahead and see how they will communicate. You can see instant reply. You can see how the packets are being sent. So you can see that for the whole of the 4 packets were sent successively. You can see sent 4 and received 4, lost 0. That is, nothing was lost. It was 100% success. So that is that. You can actually go to other part of the, like I've just used this particular computer to ping this one. Now we can actually go to other part of the computer, like let me pick this particular multi-layer to ping any of the computer system. This is a multi-layer switch, is controlling so many devices, or as a gateway to other devices on this big topology. Now let me quickly use it to ping any of the computer lines. Maybe I can make it to ping even that computer number 11. As you can see now, 192.168.5.11. Let's see. You can see 100% source. You can see here. Can you see my cursor? It has communicated successfully with that computer number 11 successfully. That's how it is. So if you really want to learn about how to configure this kind of complex network topology, this one is more or less like a tree topology, tree network, tree kind of the network topology. We have different types. We have bus, we have star topology, mesh. Even this one contain mesh. Like this region is a mesh topology. So we can easily communicate, or we can make all the any of these devices, or all the devices, to communicate with one another. So we can pick anyone here, like let me just pick anyone here to communicate with any of the devices in the center. Like now, then just pick here, and then we quickly go to desktop. Then from the desktop we go to command prompt, and then you write ping. So that's 192.168 let's say .6.1 can be no, you can see now the ping will take place now. So you can see this one is delaying. Let me quickly check the network, the IP address rather. So it's like I mistakenly typed the IP address. So let me copy the correct IP address. So the correct IP address can be easily gotten when we check the place where we configure the IP address. Okay, this one does not have the IP address. Let me check this one. This one has an IP address. Let me check. Okay, this is the IP address of this one. So you can easily use this one to communicate with other system, just like in this case by ping, and then so sometimes there may be delay. You can see now success rate is 80%. If you retry, it's because of redundancy and all of those terms. So in order not to waste our time, we don't want to go into details. By the time I do it again, you see 100% success. This one is giving us 80% success now. So let me reping it again. So can you see we should have 100% success? So that's why it is. So you can see such a complex topology, and all the devices there, they can easily communicate with one another. I can pick from this place as well to ping any other one. You can see. Let's say this one is going to communicate with any other one. You can see. This is communicating with. You can see instant reply. You can see instant reply 100%. All the 4 packets were sent successfully. You can still make it to ping any other one on any other network, like changing the networks. This is 5, this is 9 now. Let me change it to 5. So let's try. You can see. So this one is delaying. So maybe because I didn't check the what's called the IP address very well. Let me check this particular one and use it to ping the other one. So we are going to the command prompt. You can see. So we can quickly change the network. Let's say I use 5 or any other one. Yeah. Let me use 11. Instant reply. You can see that's the way it works. So I don't want to waste our time on this video. So if you really want to learn more about networking and how to configure all your devices on a particular network topology, just follow me. Hit that follow button and like. So and then comment. Then I will get back to you, or you chat me and message me. Then thereabout we communicate. Bye.